Good morning, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Paddock. This is your morning meeting. We're going to turn it right over to our calendar and get started. And here's our calendar. What? It's all empty, isn't it? That's because we have a new month, and our month is May. So M-A. Remember A and Y? They're too cool, and they stick up their thumbs and they go A. So M-A, May. And it's May 1st. So when we see the number 1 in a calendar, we say it's the first. It's the first of the month. And today is Friday, yesterday was Thursday, and tomorrow will be Saturday. So let's sing our song. 1, 2, 3. Today is Friday, today is Friday. All day long, all day long. Yesterday was Thursday, tomorrow will be Saturday. Oh, what fun. Oh, what fun. Excellent. Now we are at the weekend, so tomorrow is Saturday, and then the next day will be Sunday. Remember, no morning meeting on Saturday or Sunday, but we'll be back for Monday. But I will still post some stories for you. And don't forget, we have our Google Meet on the computer tomorrow. So that's Saturday, and we have one at 10:30 and one at 11:30, okay? Talk more about that later. Here is our days of the week chart. Let's sing our song. 1, 2, 3. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7, there are 7, there are 7 days of the week. Excellent job. Let's look at our months of the year. 1, 2, 3. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. There are 12 months in a year. Excellent job. And let's go over to our numbers chart. We're going to look at our tens column. So we're going to skip count by tens. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And let's go by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Great job. Let's go by 10. We're going to go backwards, right? So we're going to do our blast off. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Yippee skippies. All right, let's talk about our season. What's our season? It is spring. Good job, boys and girls. It is only going to switch to summer in June. So we still have another month to get through and a bit. Our weather today, not very nice looking out there. It is pretty cloudy. I'm going to flip it so you can see outside my window. And you can see it is very cloudy, kind of a gray sort of day. It is supposed to rain later. It's still supposed to be kind of nice, but yeah, I don't think we're going to get too much sun today. And the rain is going to come as well, which is okay. We do need the rain. Let's think what else we need to talk about. Boys and girls, don't forget to finish up your homework. You have your letter X from workbook alphabet number 1 and 2, and your number is 24 this week for numbers 1 and 2 as well. Do that, please, and get those done. Remember, you can pick whichever colors you want to color in certain things, right? Like if it's the 10 frames or whatever, just choose whichever colors you want for that. Remember to use your printing properly, so you're using the sky, the train tracks, and the grass, keeping your letters and numbers within those lines, right? The 2 assignments, of course, are author of the month. Pick whichever Dr. Seuss book you would like to write on. Tell me what your favorite part was. And then have your parents take a picture of your finished assignment and send it to me. And the other one was the science experiment, where you had to test some paper and tell me what the strength was. Was your paper strong? Was it weak? And did it absorb? Absorb means did it like suck up the water when you put it on a plate? If you don't have enough paper at home, you can just watch my YouTube video and you can fill out the form that way. A lot of you have been doing the experiment. I'm happy to see that and hear about that. So that's great. The more that you guys do, the more it makes sense to you. Just watching me do it, it's okay, but it's not enough. It's better when you do the experiments yourself. Plus, your paper might be a little bit different than my paper. So, you know, it really depends on what kind. For example, my newspaper, you know, it was strong, but maybe the newspaper that you used is going to be weak, right? So examples like that. A few people have sent in their photos of their finished assignments. So Abby sent in her science experiment to me. She did the experiment as well. Good job, Abby. I was really happy to see that you were able to do the experiment, and you did a great job on that too. Good for you. Haley also she finished both of her assignments as well, the author of the month, and you picked the Grinch, which is awesome because I know you like the Grinch, and you even have pajamas that have the Grinch on it, right, Haley? So that's awesome. And you did your science experiment as well, and you did it, right? And then you filled out the form. So great job, Haley. I'm happy to see that you did both of your assignments and you're all finished everything. And let us see what else. I'm still missing a few assignments from some people. So whenever you get the chance, send them in to me, okay? That would be great. Other comments. So I spoke to Prince yesterday. Prince is doing really well, and I was happy to hear from him. And Prince, and remember, you gotta listen to your mom and dad, and you need to make sure that you're doing your work, right? Because I'm checking up on you guys, and that's all of you guys, making sure that you guys are doing all your work, listening to mums and dads, or grandmas and grandpas, whoever it is that's looking after you. I know some have grandmas and grandpas that are looking after them because mom and dads are outside of the house working, right? And that's okay. But making sure that you're listening and you're doing your work. The faster you get your work done, the faster you can go do something else. Maybe something else that you really want to do. Like, you know, if you're maybe playing a video game, maybe you can do your video game afterwards, okay? But making sure that you are getting your homework done first, okay? That way you just get it done, and then it's over, and you know, parents don't have to be upset, and you don't have to be upset, and everything is great, right? Boys and girls, you're doing a great job. You really are. I'm sorry I'm not there to be there in person to help you and stuff like that. But you guys, from what your parents have been telling me and sending me pictures and stuff, you guys are doing a fabulous job. Your parents are doing a great job as well. Make sure that you tell them that, and tell them that, you know, mom and dad, thank you so much for helping me, and you guys are awesome, and keep up the good work, okay? You make sure that you tell your moms and dads that, okay? Because they need to hear it, okay? Just like you need to hear that you're awesome, your moms and dads need to hear that they're awesome too, okay? So again, a reminder that we are going to have a morning meeting on Saturday, so that's tomorrow. Sorry, I just took my paper out here. So boys are going to have their meeting tomorrow at 10:30. So boys, 10:30 morning meeting with me, and girls, you're going to be at 11:30. Okay. For tomorrow's meeting on the computer, I need you guys to think about what is your favorite game. What is your favorite game? Do you have a favorite card game? Do you have a favorite board game? Do you have a favorite video game? You know, something that you love to play. Maybe it's you love to play it when you go camping, or you love to play it on rainy days. So today's going to be a rainy day. Maybe you're going to play this game. Bring that game, if you have it, to our morning meeting, and you're going to show the class your favorite game. If you don't have the game, you don't actually have the game with you, just come prepared to talk about it. So think about what your favorite game is, okay? If you have it, bring it to the meeting. If you don't have it, don't worry about it. Just be prepared to talk about it, okay? So your favorite game, just one. I don't need lots. I know there's lots of games you probably really like to play, but I just need one favorite game. Okay, I'm going to post a bunch of stories, and Frankie and Johnny, I think, are going to be reading some stories as well, so look for those. There will be no morning meeting tomorrow, Saturday, and no morning meeting on Sunday on the YouTube, but I'll still post some videos, okay, for you. But remember, Google Meeting with me tomorrow, okay, 10:30 and 11:30, 10:30 for boys and 11:30 for girls. Hope you have a wonderful day. I love you, and I miss you all. Take care. Bye-bye.